Welcome to Satoshi Swiss Crypto. This is where we transform your crypto journey. Are you tired of constantly monitoring the market? Now you can trade like a pro without being glued to your computer with our $1,000 to $100,000 trading challenge for just $79 a month. You can automatically mirror my trades. Subscribe today and elevate your crypto game with Satoshi Swiss. Let's conquer the crypto world together. Press the first link in the description below to join. And let's now finally start with the video. Imagine this. The cryptocurrency phenomenon Shiba Inu is poised for a possible parabolic rise. Are you ready? Is the question. There could be serious repercussions if you miss out, and many people might not. What's the catch though? What knowledge do you need to maintain your advantage and avoid making bad choices later on? Stay tuned as we reveal the crucial information. Withdrawal. Shiba Inu has proven to be a noteworthy success in the broad and ever-changing world of cryptocurrencies, securing its place among the top 20 digital assets by market capitalization. From the beginning, its voyage has been nothing short of extraordinary, drawing interest from admirers all around the world. Even though Shiba Inus are celebrated for their accomplishments, they are not without difficulties. The digital currency has a vibrant and enthusiastic community, but obstacles prevent it from reaching its lofty price goals. It appears that there are challenges on the path to realizing its potential that call for calculated measures in order to be successful in the long run. We must comprehend one crucial point before we can discuss the amazing news. Let's start with the fundamentals. As of right now, there are around 560 trillion Shiba Inus in the world. Achieving pricing goals as high as $1 would result in an unfeasible market capitalization of hundreds of trillions of dollars. This substantial number highlights the difficulties Shiba Inu faces in realizing its most daring objectives. A suggestion to reconcile this disparity is to burn a significant amount of Shiba Inu's stock. To be more precise, burning through 90s of the available supply would leave just 60 trillion Shiba Inus left. Even with this large cut, there are still difficulties in reaching the $1 price target with the reduced supply. Burning up that kind of vast supply would probably take a long time, maybe decades, to produce meaningful benefits. Although lowering the quantity might raise the token's price, it might not be enough to satisfy the community's expectations. It's important to recognize the complexities involved with burning a significant amount of Shiba Inu's supply. Even though it could have a good effect on the token's value, there are still important factors to take into account, like how realistically this reduction can be implemented and how long it will take to see noticeable impacts. Satoshi Kusama, the project's principal developer, has a distinct perspective on the difficulties the project faces. Kusama recently shared a concept that would reduce the number of Shiba Inus in circulation to just 0.1 of their original size. This audacious statement was the result of a discussion with a critic of Shiba Inu, who mockingly proposed burning 99.99.9 of the tokens, likely financed by fees from Shibarium transactions, while dismissing the notion as impractical. Kusama replied, "Except for you seeing how it's possible, nothing is impossible. We advance." The community of Shiba Inus responded favorably to this audacious declaration, offering encouragement and support. The concept was welcomed by the community, which expressed excitement at the possibility of burning trillions of Shiba Inu tokens and dreamed of a time when every Shiba Army member would profit from it. The idea of a 99 decrease in supply to just $5 trillion has a big impact on the long-term cost of Shiba Inus. At the cost of 1 cent, this significant drop might raise Shiba Inu's market valuation to $58 billion if it is carried out effectively. The amount is thought to be achievable and reasonable. A new dimension is introduced to Shiba Inu's trajectory by the possibility of such a significant shift in supply, which might potentially reshape its place in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Together with Kusama's vision, the community's optimism points to a shared confidence in the possible benefits of supply reduction for the token's value in the future. Notwithstanding the community's confidence and Kusama's progressive outlook, several doubters raised concerns about the possible consequences of a decrease in supplies. Critics highlight the difficulties in carrying out a large-scale burn of Shiba Inu tokens, arguing that such an extreme step may not be feasible or attainable. Their doubts are rooted in worries about how feasible it would be to carry out a 99 reduction in supply and how long it would take to see noticeable effects. It's crucial to remember that investing in Shiba Inu indicates some degree of faith in the project's creators and their vision. Shifting viewpoints to take a more critical position could make one wonder what the underlying logic is. Essentially, it makes you wonder why you might be less inclined to trust the Shiba Inu development team now if you had faith in them at first. Without a solid foundation, expressing doubt or negativity might backfire, particularly when it comes to a project that is still in its early stages of development in the erratic cryptocurrency market. Ultimately, encouraging a positive communication channel and retaining a certain degree of faith in the developers may be more beneficial to the project's advancement than giving in to mistrust. Skepticism, participating in educated debates, and encouraging constructive communal projects could be more advantageous to Shiba Inu's path. When Shiba Inus were at their peak, their value saw a parabolic run, making millions of people in the community millionaire. Shiba Inu reached its all-time high in October 2021, giving early investors significant gains and igniting a wave of interest and enthusiasm. But the excitement surrounding that parabolic run has since faded, and the token's value has dropped precipitously. The general consensus about Shiba Inus's possible breakthrough is still strong despite this decline, because they think the project can overcome its obstacles and achieve new heights in the constantly changing cryptocurrency market. Many in the community continue to hope for a revival. Can Shiba Inu repeat its prior success and produce more millionaires this year as it negotiates the market's complexities? Though tempered by the realities of the obstacles the project must overcome and the necessity of taking calculated risks to rekindle its momentum, the hope endures. Shiba Inu's goal of producing more billionaires is closely related to how its habitat is changing, especially since Shibarium was introduced. The objective of this decentralized protocol is to facilitate the growth of Shiba Inu by providing a platform for innovation and growth that goes beyond the capabilities of conventional cryptocurrencies. The easiest way to comprehend this potential to produce billionaires is to think of Shibarium's function as a host for decentralized applications. These DApps, which are anticipated to settle on Shibarium, have the ability to draw users whose actions might increase demand for Shiba Inus. To put it simply, the mission of Shiba Inu will ultimately succeed or fail based on Shibarium's capacity to cultivate an ecosystem that draws in new users who are interested in the distinctive features that decentralized applications have to offer, in addition to engaging the current community. However, it's important to remember that Shibarium achieved significant success in less than 5 months and just handled over 250 million transactions. Other projects don't reach these numbers for several years. Even though the growth rate might not match the explosive ascent seen in Shiba Inu's early years, the addition of Shibarium gives the project fresh life. When combined with the deflationary tactics suggested by reducing supply, the dynamics of decentralized applications offer Shiba Inu a special opportunity to raise its long-term price. The idea may pick up steam as Shibarium matures and DApps take off, providing investors with the chance to earn substantial profits and helping the Shiba Inu community achieve its goal of producing more millionaires. One would need to possess at least 10 million Shiba Inu tokens in order to become a Shiba Inu millionaire. It would cost $100 to purchase this many Shiba Inus at the current price. The price per Shiba Inu at the time of investment is the basis for the computation. Depending on how the price of Shiba Inus moves in the future, there could be a wide range of possible profits from this purchase. If Shiba Inu were to reach 1 penny, for example, an investment of $100 could become $1 million. These hypothetical situations show the speculative nature of cryptocurrency investments and their potential for large profits, but they also draw attention to the associated hazards. Shiba Inu is a desirable option for investors seeking long-term gains due to its comparatively lower pricing when compared to other cryptocurrencies. The market's dynamics and the project's capacity to overcome obstacles and achieve its lofty objectives, however, will determine the real results. Investors should be mindful of the inherent volatility in the Bitcoin market and give these concerns some thought. Even nevertheless, despite a somewhat slower growth rate, the ongoing popularity of meme-inspired coins such as Shiba Inu is still noteworthy. In the cryptocurrency world, meme coins are still attracting investors' attention despite a 29-year-over-year increase. Furthermore, Shiba Inu may appear highly appealing to other investors, given its evolution from meme coins to something much bigger. This ongoing interest is proof of the unique community-driven stories and speculative potential that make these atypical digital assets so appealing. The environment is changing, though, and there is more rivalry inside the Bitcoin ecosystem. Shiba Inu substitutes have seen enormous price increases that, in certain situations, have exceeded their growth. The need for Shiba Inu to stand out from the competition and continue to be relevant in the market is highlighted by this growing rivalry. Shiba Inus stand out from the crowd thanks to their distinctive traits and features. The idea has a unique advantage in that the future burn gateway on Shibarium gives a way to raise Shiba Inu's long-term valuation. Shiba Inu's future trajectory will be greatly influenced by its capacity to capitalize on its distinct advantages and successfully negotiate the competitive landscape as the Bitcoin ecosystem develops. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. We have now reached the conclusion of this video. Please like the video and don't forget to leave a comment in the space provided if you liked it. This is a huge assistance for the YouTube algorithm. Please spread the word about this video to as many people as you can. Let us disseminate this news.